Today, the world marks Morse Code Day. Almost everyone knows the SOS signal. But do you know how to say best regards in Morse code? And even more surprising, which living creature on Earth can actually distinguish dots and dashes? The answer may surprise you. But first, in order. Morse code is named after Samuel Morse, an inventor and an artist. SOS is used because of its simplicity. 3 dots, 3 dashes, 3 dots. And best regards is transmitted as the number 73, also for simplicity. 2 dashes, 3 dots, 3 dots, 2 dashes. All sent without pauses. Samuel Morse is also an underrated painter. At the end of the video, you will see some of his artworks. And now, the most unexpected part. Research has shown that the only creature capable of distinguishing Morse signals is bumblebees. Not monkeys, not dolphins, bumblebees. Now, events of this day. In 1644, wheat was first widely planted in Canada, using grain that originated from Ukrainian lands. Later, in the 19th century, Ukrainian Mennonites brought a wheat variety called Turkey Red to the United States, which had been grown in the southern Ukrainian steppes. It proved ideal for North American conditions and transformed agriculture in the region. Today, there are monuments to this wheat in Kansas. In 1773, the Tea Act was passed. This contributed to the American Revolution. In 1967, Expo 67 opened in Montreal, one of the most successful world exhibitions. Among the guests was Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, the founder of Transcendental Meditation. A year later, the Beatles, together with their families, traveled to India to study with him. They worked intensely and wrote many songs there for their famous White Album.